Come, let's free you. You're free! Yesterday, we added all these extra stuff because we realized the aircon might be too cold and it was like blowing in. And also, I think she was overtired from last night. So, she woke up like, honestly, as in she was making noise every like 30 minutes to an hour until maybe up till 2 to 3 a.m. So from 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. she was just up every half hour to 1 hour. But it was literally she'll be making noise like trying to fall asleep. Then we'll pick her up and immediately sleep. Then we just need to hold her for like 2 minutes and then put her down. Then repeat the cycle like every 30 minutes to an hour. So that was really shag. But now it's 8:20 and I decided to let her wake up cause she was already like stirring and being awake because we want to go to the fish market. Always gotta get in tummy time. Okay, we gotta rush to the fish market, guys. We're late. It's like 9:30 now. Such a sunny day. Ran back up to grab her hat that she just got yesterday. Look, it can go up. Taking the subway because it costs $50 for Uber. So no, thank you. Smells like fish. It's crowded. There are lots of tour buses waiting around. I think this is the Tamagoyaki. I got 2 for me and 1 for him. You can pay 400 to get the logo stamped on it. Is it yummy? Or is it a normal? Is it sweetie?
Yeah.
Sweetie. Yummy. I can eat 2.
Like it, yeah.
I can say 1 for Daisy, 1 for me. Somebody woke up just in time for scallop. We're still waiting for squid. Never mind, our squid looks bad. I think we chose a wrong shop. You go for it.
This is the liver.
Yeah, I just had it, but it's good. Like it's like the one at home is definitely frozen. Right?
Smelly, yeah.
Exactly. Usually I avoid it, but this is good. This is probably a scammy place, but should we just go here? Fruit $5. I don't mind it. 500 yen.
Yeah, I'll take a peek on it.
You got this weird fish cake crabstick thing. How is it, babe?
You wanna try?
Let me try it first.
I like it, but you won't like it.
I won't like it. Is it because of the mustard mayo?
Yeah. Oh, that's a big bite. Wait, your hair going up. Oh.
Ew.
Nice, right?
Wasabi or what?
Faster.
Was my melon $5?
500, yeah. It's double.
Oh damn, why is this double the melon? No, we're not eating from here. How about they got the Tanghulu $7? But I shouldn't, right? It's $7. I think I go somewhere else. Yeah, let's just do it. Wagyu skewers here. The price. Oh, it's almost ours. A bit to the side. The first one. Guys, look at my juicy A5 and his one with uni. Luckily we waited and found a shop that's $5 cheaper. This was $20.
It's so red, but it's not bloody.
How's this self-service? They gotta cut their own squid. But their squid looks way better than ours.
Yeah.
Negitoro, minced tuna with green onion. Compared to yesterday's isetan, same. Sorry guys, the camera is swaying because I'm swaying my baby. My baby over here.
I didn't put anything.
Soft. I can't really appreciate tuna, but I think it's nice. Good. Super
Already.
different. We just had tuna and now we're queuing up for more tuna. I think we're gonna get these 3 types of taro. Yeah, this looks better. Look at how fatty this is, so fatty. No, I think you get a heart attack just eating that. One of this? Yeah. That one? Doesn't even taste like tuna at all. The rice damn good, bro. This is not makeup, babe. Okay. I got skill in my mouth. Look, I got freaking skill. Hi! Yeah. Alright, let's take our last lap. Just now the kamatoro was so good. Dango. I'm gonna have another melon. Got my melon. Good girl, darling. You wanna have it? You think she's hungry?
I think so. I think she's hungry, man. Face me. You're cutting hair. You're cutting hair at the spot. At the where are we? At the art gallery. We found a little more. What's this? Maze over there. And then right across is Tokyo Sushi Academy, where there's actually people learning how to make sushi.
Done feeding. Now we have renewed our time and we're gonna go to Lawson's next door. Grab a coffee for daddy, okay? And a snacky snack for mommy. Yay, $10. Strawberry. These tomatoes, that's insane. I'm trying them now and he's gonna rinse a piece for me. Lucky we got water. Look at him rinsing my strawberry. You wash this. The texture is the good one.
Not sweet.
It's sweet, but not hella sweet. But it's sweet.
So if we buy the
It's so melt in your mouth. Like zero firmness. Like a baby can eat it. I'm getting this. It's Wagyu with uni and ikura. Thank you. I wish the ikura was cold. I don't even think I can taste the uni. The rice is so good. I'm sending him to buy scallop skewers now. $7. Okay, before we leave, I will get my last Tamagoyaki and I will have a Tanghulu later. It's frozen inside. My teeth hurt. The sugar is surprisingly easy to bite through. It's just the frozen strawberry that's difficult. Really? Yummy though. Wow, yeah. We got it from this shop, the yellow one there.
Yamacho.
Oh, Yamacho. From the fish market, now we are taking an 11-minute stroll. Where's the baby? An 11-minute stroll to Ginza Metro. That will take 10 minutes, but I think we decided to just walk it. It's a really sunny day. We're in Ginza and look at this Tiffany building. Is it a whole thing the Tiffany perfume? Cool mall, darling. We found our way to the Ginza food hall and it just looks so nice. Everything's so fancy and quiet compared to the Isetan one where everything's so close together. Found our way to the subway. Let's go home. Alright, we got an hour-ish nap in. We're gonna go to Shibuya now. Because she needs to sleep, but we're just gonna go see what we can see. Let's go! Okay, we just got Shibuya. Now we're gonna go to the crossing. Where do you wanna go then? It is so fun! Now where do we go? You cannot go back left. Let's cut left. You can. You can switch directions anytime you want. Oh no, it's ending soon. It's ending. We gotta run. I don't know where my husband bring me to this scary looking underground. But he said that there's a food street somewhere. Wow, we're taking the bus. This used to be a terminal. We got the whole bus to ourselves.